Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we are going to be tasting this Ceci Love Mango. Now, usually we end the video and we'll come up with some kind of a rating number, and then the other kind of thing is, would you plant it or not? Well, we've already planted this one because we've had this before, and this is a really good mango. So I don't remember.
We only had one before. So
I don't remember what it tastes like. I only remember that it was really good, and it was good enough that we've actually planted one and it died, and we had to replant another one because it was.
Yeah.
I think it was one that we lost in the freeze.
And it was doing really well. It was pruned just like I like it. Just how Craig hates it.
All right. That's good.
It's as good as I remember.
That's a good mango. So,
oh my gosh.
it's very, very sweet. Very little tartness. Smooth texture, but it's just got this punch of flavor that is... I wouldn't even go as far as to call it... It's not really even spiciness.
There's hints, though. There's like perfect little hints.
Yeah, it's got a lot more. First of all, the flavor is intense. It's like a brand new piece of bubble gum or something, and it just bursts in your mouth. Wow. And the aftertaste, it's lingering. The flavor is so strong, it's just lingering on and on. It's like I'm still eating it. It's a really good mango.
I wouldn't mind having another tree.
Yeah.
And there aren't many trees like that in our yard where we have more than one.
That's true.
We have sugarloaf.
It is so sweet, and just, that's a good mango. Mm-hmm. So I think, I'm pretty sure that this is one that Richard Campbell...
Zil bred this.
Oh, this is one of, okay.
That's my understanding.
I thought Ceci was Richard Campbell's mother.
Wife,
right, sorry, wife. Sorry, Ceci. But I knew, yeah.
But I'm pretty sure this was one that Zil didn't release, I think. And Richard Campbell named it after his wife.
Because it was her favorite.
But it's ridiculous.
This is really incredibly good mango.
Like, if you're going to have a mango named after you,
yes,
you would hope it would be this good.
Mrs. Campbell chose well.
Yeah.
That's just... I don't know how to explain how much... It's like 2 mangoes worth of flavor got squoze into one, and it's just like it bursts in your mouth. It's just like, wow.
I hope they taste the same grown here, because that's...
Yeah, some mangoes grown on the east coast of Florida don't come out exactly the same as those on the west coast and vice versa. Yeah, I hope ours turn out, because this is... That just is, I don't, so, okay, so, citrus, maybe a little bit of cantaloupe.
There's a little bit of spiciness. And there's a hint of tartness.
There's a little bit of pininess right at the front, and then it just goes into this just explosion. She's just eating them all. It's just this explosion of flavor. It's just really... really good. This is a 10. If you want to know what a 10 mango tastes like, this is it. This could be my new favorite.
I know. I was thinking back to Ellen Parbanashian. I'm like,
I don't remember.
Give it a run for its money.
My memory for what things taste like is very short term. I can taste what's in front of me right now, but I can't usually compare it to anything unless it's, a fruit cup from the 70s or something like that. But I'm not very good at making comparisons of other mango varieties, but...
It doesn't have a strong smell either. There's like no smell, but then you eat it.
I don't know of anything else that has quite this flavor.
It's really juicy.
Texture is perfect.
Mm-hmm. It's the perfect
It's almost
mango.
melting, but it's got enough of a bite to it before it melts. And that flavor is just really... got a good flavor to it. Very intense. And trying to think what other adjectives.
I wish I had an Ellen Parbanashian to like compare it with side by side.
Yeah. I wish I
This
could
is really
remember what
good.
Alan Parvanish. I remember we loved it, but I can't remember what it tasted like. But that's like the perfect mango. That's like really, really good. So
And this is, we're eating it a week after we bought it. And we could only buy one. I would have gotten a lot more.
they were rationing them, I think,
And they
because
were
everybody
behind the table. We had to ask for them.
I think everybody wants them because this is like just crazy good.
And we got there right as they opened. I think there were 1 or 2 people who went in before us a little bit earlier. We tried to wait until the exact time that they opened. But yeah, we drove 4 hours from Sarasota to arrive there right when they opened.
It's got 3 or 4 of the essential mango flavors that are just really good. And they're all in that one.
Yeah.
And just the flavor is so strong. It's not watered. There's nothing watered down about that one.
And there's a tiny bit of like perfect chalkiness, but very, very tiny. But
I'm getting very little, but yeah, it's everything. That's just that's a really well balanced mango. That's the thing is it's got the right amount of everything in it.
like lick that one.
I know. But yeah, that's a good mango. So
Yeah.
so if you want to know, it's a 10. And yes, not only would I plant it, but I have planted it, and probably
We'll plant more.
we'll plant some more because that's like crazy good.
Yeah.
So anyway, thank you, Dr. Campbell. If you are in any way responsible for the release of
Yeah.
that mango too, because
It's our favorite.
that's top tier.
Yeah.
So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See the woman walking by, see your basket sitting high, basket high on woman head. Did you hear what the woman said?